Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to find the locations of Windows firewall logs in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So generally, Windows firewall improve security and safeguard against new threats and unauthorized entries. It also produces logs and offers visibility into its operations, allowing you to supervise and address security issues. And then I'll show you the exact locations of firewall logs. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and then pop up itong run. Okay, so in other option na pwede mong gawin ito, so dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung run, okay? So i-click mo lang yan, alright? So once na open mo na itong run command and next step, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na event bwr.msc, alright? So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na event bwr.msc, so one word yan lahat, and then click mo lang dito yung OK and makikita mo na dito yung event viewer. So ang next step, so under dito sa event viewer local, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows logs, okay? So dito i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand, and next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security, alright? So click mo lang yung security. And dito lang sa right side, dito lang sa pinakauna, nandito yung security and makikita mo na kaagad dito yung firewall logs. Alright? So nandito lahat yung details niya. Okay? So pwede mo yung i-scan. I-scan mo lang siya, scroll down mo lang and nandito lahat. Alright? So another option na pwede nating i-view yung firewall logs. So same dito sa event viewer. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na event bwr.msc and then pop up ito. So same lang. And then next step, so under dito lang sa event viewer local and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung applications and services log. So kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand or double click ka lang. And next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft, okay? So dito sa Microsoft, i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows. So same, double click or click mo yung arrow na yan. And dito sa Windows, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo and then i-locate natin yung Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. Alright, so ito siya. So once nakita mo na yung Windows Firewall with Advanced Security, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan one time. And dito lang sa right side mga kaibigan, makita mo dito yung Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. And nandito na yung firewall log, alright? So nandito na yung lahat ng kanyang details, alright? So nandito siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan on how to find the locations of Windows Firewall logs in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.